Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my custom gearbox. Okay, so these are parts here that you need. You need 2 of the 5 long Technic beams, 2 of the 7 long, 2 of these number 2 connector pieces, 4 of these pins, and 4 of these. Okay, so what you're going to want to do first is you're going to take 2 of the red pins. Oops. You're going to put them just like so in the 5. Put these guys on those pins to where the holes are facing out. Take the other 2 pins that you have over here, put them like so. Take your other 5, put it on just like that. Then you're going to push them together so it's just like that. You're going to take these 4 right here, put them on each one of these pins that's sticking out. Just like this. There, and then you'll have this part built. So you have it just like that. And then you take these 7 ones, these 7 long beams, and you connect the 2 together here. If I can do that quick. Come on. There we go. So it'll look like this. And then you do that to the other side as well. So just like that. So then that's the finished gearbox. If you want to do, sometimes what I do is I replace these black pieces with some of these pieces. So where it's 2 pins on each, 1 pin on each side. And then you can add another beam down the side. Whoops. You can add another beam along here. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Like the video, subscribe. It would really help me out. Thanks.